ट्रंप साहब ने 11 बार बोला है।
President of America Donald Trump has said not once, not twice, but 12 times
ट्रंप ने 11 बार बोला है
कि मैंने नरेंद्र मोदी को सरेंडर करवा दिया।
that he's got the ceasefire between India and Pakistan.
ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, नरेंद्र सरेंडर। राहुल गांधी ने प्रधानमंत्री को सरेंडर मोदी कह दिया।
नरेंद्र मोदी ये नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं कि ये जो ट्रंप है ये झूठ बोल रहा है।
वास्तविकता के साथ जागो।
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जोर देकर कहा कि भारत ने न तो कभी मध्यस्थता स्वीकार की थी, न करता है और न ही कभी करेगा।
India will not accept any mediation, and there were no talks of trade deal with President Donald Trump during Operation Sindoor. India has a new war doctrine wherein every terror attack will be taken as an act of war against India and will be responded to. Well, these words by Indian Prime Minister echoed yesterday amidst the ongoing G7 summit when he had a telephonic conversation with the US President Donald Trump. You see, from calling out Prime Minister Modi for not being invited at the G7 summit to mocking him for being a self-styled Vishwaguru that President Donald Trump had to leave the G7 summit early, Congress has left no opportunity to demean our nation when the Prime Minister is representing our country at the international front. From Rahul Gandhi to Jairam Ramesh to Supriya Shrinet, the whole Congress IT cell had even mocked Prime Minister Modi when US President Donald Trump had announced a ceasefire between India and Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. But yesterday, these Congress IT trolls got a befitting reply when Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Donald Trump had a 35-minute long telephonic conversation, and all such misleading claims got a big fact check. Well, this news of a telephonic conversation was confirmed by Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri.
राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के आग्रह पर आज दोनों लीडर्स की फोन पर बात हुई। बातचीत लगभग 35 मिनट चली।
Also, the last time these two leaders had a conversation was after the Pahalgam terrorist attack on 22nd of April, when President Trump expressed condolences to Prime Minister Modi over phone and expressed support against terrorism. This was the first conversation between the two leaders after that. Therefore, Prime Minister Modi talked to President Trump in detail about Operation Sindoor. PM Modi clearly told President Trump that after 22nd of April, India had told the whole world about its determination to take action against terrorism. PM Modi said that on the night of 6th and 7th of May, India had targeted only terrorist hideouts in Pakistan, and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. India's actions were very measured, precise and non-escalatory. India had also made it clear that India will respond to Pakistan's bullets with shells. Here comes another fact check of the Congress ecosystem, who had stated that it was Donald Trump who had intervened between India and Pakistan and used trade deal to get a ceasefire. Also, Donald Trump at that time comes out with a big statement that he had mediated between the two nations and made a pact for ceasefire. But PM Modi has made it clear that during this entire incident, at no level, topics like India-US trade deal or mediation by America between India and Pakistan were discussed. The talk of stopping military action was done directly between India and Pakistan through the existing channels of both the armies, and it was done at the request of Pakistan. Prime Minister Modi stressed that India has never accepted mediation, nor will it ever accept it.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जोर देकर कहा कि भारत ने न तो कभी मध्यस्थता स्वीकार की थी, न करता है और न ही कभी करेगा।
There is complete political unanimity in India on this issue. President Trump understood the points made by Prime Minister in detail and expressed support for India's fight against terrorism. Also, remember those words of Rahul Gandhi during ceasefire?
ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, नरेंद्र सरेंडर।
Narendra surrender? Well, even a leader of opposition has got a befitting reply now. So it has now come out that on the night of 9th of May, US Vice President J.D. Vance had called Prime Minister Modi. Vice President Vance had then warned that Pakistan could launch a big attack on India. It was then that Prime Minister Modi had told him in clear words that if this happens, India will give an even bigger reply to Pakistan. India gave a very strong response to Pakistan's attack on the night of 9th and 10th of May and caused a lot of damage to the Pakistani army. Its military air bases were made inoperable. Due to India's strong response, Pakistan had to request India to stop military action. Well, furthermore, Prime Minister Modi also said that India no longer sees terrorism as a proxy war, but as a war, and that India's Operation Sindoor is still ongoing. President Trump has asked Prime Minister Modi if he could stop by the US on his way back from Canada. Due to pre-scheduled engagement, Prime Minister Modi expressed his inability.
राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी से पूछा कि क्या वे कनाडा से वापसी में अमेरिका रुक कर जा सकते हैं। पूर्व निर्धारित कार्यक्रमों के कारण प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने अपनी असमर्थता व्यक्त की। दोनों लीडर्स ने तब तय किया कि वे निकट भविष्य में मिलने का प्रयास करेंगे।
The two leaders then decided that they would try to meet in the near future. President Trump and Prime Minister Modi also discussed the ongoing Israel-Iran conflict. On the Russia-Ukraine conflict, both agreed that direct dialogue between the two sides is essential for an early peace and efforts should be made for this. The two leaders shared their perspectives on the Indo-Pacific region and expressed support for the important role of Quad in the region. For the next Quad meeting, Prime Minister Modi invited President Trump to visit India. President Trump accepted the invitation and said that he is looking forward to visiting India. So PM Modi, in his visit to G7 summit in Canada and with his conversation with Donald Trump, has made it clear that India is a sovereign state who doesn't require anyone's intervention to solve its internal affairs. Well, the likes of Congress ecosystem should now think twice before giving any misleading information against our PM in public domain, and they do owe an apology to the PM for spreading fake narratives.